What's up? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. Court is now in session. You already know what time it is. Bring to the court of my public opinion. You ask me a question, I give you an answer. Don't take it as legal advice. Okay? Without further ado, they wrote me and they said, if a parent in Texas had his rights taken away by losing a child to the system for drug use, will he still be able to see his older child? He lost the baby to the system because he was deemed unfit. He recently opened a child support case on his oldest two kids. Will he have any... She said, I recently opened a child support case on his oldest two kids. Will he have any rights? Yes, ma'am, he will. Now, he lost a baby because babies cannot make outcries. You cannot be doing drugs and all of that, taking care of a child that cannot take care of or see after themselves. Depending on the age of your older children, yes, he will be able to have rights. But you need to be very careful what rights you give him. You need to make sure you probably stair-step him with visitation. Because what will happen, ma'am, is with you knowing that he's had his rights taken away, you are going to look horrible. Horrible. If something happens to your children while they're in his care. Because you're going to go into this knowing that he's a problem. You're going into this knowing that he does not take care of kids properly, that he's negligent. You're going to have to make sure that you put safeguards in place to take care of your children and to make sure that your children are safe. And if you do not do that, then guess what? CPS can be knocking on your door because you're not being a protective parent. You have to do what you have to do. You know, I'm sorry that he had a lasting judgment, had a bout with drugs, and got that baby taken away. But at the end of the day, that doesn't mean that other children need to be left with him either. Free, a free-for-all, without any restriction or overseeing. So be very careful about how that's done. Next case.
Sitting here behind these walls, think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.